Hey, what's up everyone, and welcome back to the Digital Navigator. In today's video, we'll be talking about the best bank accounts for students in the UK. However, please keep in mind that I am not a financial advisor. I was simply just a student who didn't know which bank to choose and which student plan to go with. So in this video, we will help break down some of these student plans and give some information about the banks that you can choose so that you choose the one that is most suitable for you. So to kick things off, let's define what we mean by a student bank account. These are the special current accounts which are designed specially for students enrolled in a UK university, because the topic of this video is about banks in the UK specifically. They come loaded with benefits that can make a student's life easier, such as interest-free overdrafts, lower fees, and enticing freebies. We will help break down each one of these terminologies so that you can hopefully understand them better, and it will help you choose the most suitable option for you. So, overdrafts, especially 0% overdrafts, can be a lifesaver for students. An overdraft is essentially a loan facility attached to your bank account, allowing you to spend more money than you have up to a certain limit. A 0% overdraft means that you won't pay any interest on the overdrafted amount, which can be a massive advantage. It's basically the money that you can borrow from the bank account even if your balance reaches zero. And a 0% interest rate essentially means that the money that you borrowed from the bank, you won't have to pay interest on it. So let's say that you needed £1,000 and your balance is at zero. Your balance will go down to minus £1,000, and all you have to do is just pay it back when you get the money at some point. Now, the second thing that we have here is reduced fees. And as the name suggests, there are another crucial aspect of student accounts. From lower international transaction fees to reduced charges on failed payments, these benefits can save you from unexpected costs. And for the last most common benefit that you have on student accounts, you got freebies, which can range from rail cards to discount vouchers and even cash bonuses. They can be a great benefit, but don't let them distract you from the fundamental features of the account itself. So moving on to our top 5 picks for the accounts themselves, we have Barclay's Student Editions account. What's special about this account is that it allows for up to £3,000 interest-free overdraft from the first year. Additionally, it offers access to Barclay's Blue Rewards scheme, allowing you to earn cash back from various retailers, further helping you manage your finances. Barclays also takes pride in their efficient mobile banking app, providing easy access to your finances with lower charges on international card usage and outgoing international payments. It makes an appealing choice for students planning to travel or study abroad. For our next suggestion, we have Natwest Student Account. This account offers a tiered interest-free overdraft starting at £500 for the first term, which potentially reaches £2,000 by your third year. A standout feature of this account is the free National Express coach card, giving you a third of standard fares for 4 years. For students who frequently travel by coach, this can lead to substantial savings. Furthermore, Natwest keeps fees low with no monthly account fee and lower charges on international payments and card usage. So next up on this list, we have the HSBC Student Bank Account. It offers an overdraft limit of up to £3,000 with no fees or interest. This account is a strong contender, and the cherry on top, a welcoming £100 cash bonus, providing a helpful boost at the start of the term. HSBC also offers reduced fees for failed payments and withdrawing cash abroad. They also have a dedicated student hub with budgeting advice and tips, making this a well-rounded account. Santander also offers robust online and mobile banking services. These platforms provide 24/7 access to your account, allowing you to manage your money anytime, anywhere, and you can easily check your balance, transfer money, and view your transactions. And another exceptional add-on to this account is Santander's Spendelytics app. This smart money tool helps you track and analyze your spending directly from your mobile. The app categorizes your spending, helps you understand where your money is going, and making your budgeting easier. At number 2 on this list, we have the Santander 123 Student Current Account. What sets this account apart is the free 4-year 16 to 25 rail card, a boon for students traveling frequently by train. So essentially the majority of students. It also offers an interest-free arranged overdraft for up to £2,000, which is a crucial financial safety net. Santander also offers 1% AER per gross variable interest on balances up to £2,000, allowing your money to grow. With lower fees on outgoing international payments and card usage abroad, this account is ideal for students with an international lifestyle. And for our top pick for today, we have the Lloyd's Bank Student Account. With a tiered interest-free overdraft up to £1,500 in the first year, increasing up to £2,000 in the second year, this account provides financial flexibility. With a strong online banking presence and lower charges on a variety of transactions, this account provides a comprehensive student banking solution. But that's not all. The Lloyd's Bank Student Account comes packed with more features designed with students in mind. For example, their mobile banking app. It is recognized for its seamless design and user-friendly interface, which allows you to manage your finances on the go. You can quickly check your balance, transactions, set up new payees, and more right at your fingertips. So every time you buy a coffee or a book, you're also contributing to your savings without even thinking about it. So before we conclude, let's talk a little bit about some general tips for choosing the best bank account for you as a student in the UK. These tips will apply no matter what your personal circumstances are. The first thing that I want to talk about is understanding your needs. Everybody's financial needs are different. Your choice might depend on whether you anticipate needing a large overdraft or if you travel often and need lower fees on international transactions. So spend some time understanding what your specific needs are. The second thing is to consider the overdraft. For a lot of students, a 0% overdraft facility is a critical feature of a student bank account. This allows you to borrow money up to a certain limit without incurring interest charges. But remember, it's still money that you'll need to repay in the future. Another thing to keep in mind is that you look at the interest. If you expect to maintain a positive balance in your account, I suggest that you look for an account that offers interest on your balance, because even a small percentage can accumulate over time. And I also highly recommend that you weigh the freebies. Banks often lure students with attractive freebies. While they can be beneficial, they shouldn't overshadow the basic features of the account. A free rail card or a subscription service might sound great, but it might not make up for higher fees or less generous overdraft limits. And with that, we will be reaching the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you found any of these tips helpful, please don't forget to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos.